Hi guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. It's not my kitchen, it's somebody else's kitchen. It's in Naples, in Italy, because we're away on holiday at the moment. And yeah, I decided to cook something that's Italian, obviously, because that's where we are. And it's a creamy chicken and garlic pasta dish. And yeah, it's lovely. Anyway, these are the ingredients. I won't keep talking, keep boring you, but we're going to need this beautiful lemon. We bought this in the market today, and believe me, this was one of the smaller ones. We're going to need some ricotta cheese that we've got there, radiatore pasta, but you can use a pasta of your choice, and it's called radiatore because it looks like it was running radiator. At least I think so. And we're going to need some Parmesan cheese. This is Parmigiano Reggiano.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
And yeah, we've got some garlic. We've got 2 cloves there that have been chopped. We've got some one whole white onion, that's it. Some extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, salt, and of course, this is pre-cooked chicken. We're going to use that as well. So first start with the pasta. We're going to put this in the boiling water for about 8 minutes. Use about half of this packet. There we go. And then we'll start with the rest of the cooking. Okay, in we go with the olive oil. That should be enough, we don't need too much. Then in with the garlic. Okay, so we cook this down, this garlic, until it's softened, and then we can have the onion. In that goes. Then we put this down until it's soft and what I like to call is sort of translucent, really. So now that the garlic and onion is really nicely softened, we can go in with our cooked chicken. So basically we're just reheating this. We'll give it some seasoning, bit of black pepper, pop that in. And some salt, not too much, you can always add a bit more later if you want. Then in with the mascarpone.
Ricotta.
Now in with the ricotta. Quite a bit of that, I think. This will slowly mix in. And I'm going to give it a little drop of milk just to make it a bit more liquid. There we go. So the pasta's done. That's had its 8 minutes. I've strained it, but I've withheld some of the pasta water just in case we need it, because we can always add this to the sauce that we've got if it gets a bit dry. So in we go with our pasta. And we give it a mix. Okay, so now it's all done. We just got to give it a good squeeze of this delicious lemon. Like so. And another quick mix. And don't forget your Parmesan cheese. Delicious. I could definitely go for this Italian cooking big time. That really is good, folks. Please watch my next videos. Like, subscribe and share. And yeah, I'll see you again next time. Might be in Naples, might be somewhere else. Bye for now.